Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I am giving away a coupon code for Envato PlaceIt, which will discount your subscription with 40%. So you heard me right, 40% off for your subscription on Envato PlaceIt. You haven't heard of Envato PlaceIt, so let me show you how cool it is. And if you want to get templates, t-shirt designs, gaming templates, Twitch templates, or anything else, basically you will be able to do it here. So if you want, for example, a t-shirt design, so simply click here and select a design you like, but don't go with just it, because you will be able to customize it. So for example, this one. So click that one and you will be loading up this design editor, and you will be able to fully customize your design. So for example, if you click on this image, the image will be changed. You will be able to change the text. Also, you will be able to change the font, the color. So this is the perfect editor if you want to get designs, mockups, logos, or basically anything else. So if you want to create a custom t-shirt design, Envato PlaceIt is the go-to place for you. Also, if you click on the link from this video's description, you will get a 30% discount. So if you click pricing on placeit.net, you will see that it's $14.95 per month. But if you click on the link from this video's description and click pricing, you will see that it's 30% off, and you will be getting the subscription only for $10.46 per month. So yeah, this is a great discount that you can grab today. So click the link in this video's description and get your discount for Envato PlaceIt. So yeah, if you want also a coupon code for Envato Elements, I will be linking the video which shares this with you also in this video's description. So check it also if you want that also. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you will enjoy this new coupon code that I will be sharing with you. And until next time, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.